Hello, I'm Arcel with Trading Robots. This video shows how to buy trading robots using digital currencies, focusing on Tether. Why Tether? Many Iranians abroad can't use the real gateway or usual methods. With a foreign IP, buying from Iran is tough, and Iranian phone numbers often don't work. Also, Afghan and Tajik communities who see our ads lack bank cards like Sadrat. We welcome this because cryptocurrencies simplify transactions, bypassing sanctions that restrict purchases in Iran. With your IP address showing you're outside, you can't make Iran purchases. They can't use their Iranian phone numbers. There's another reason. For a few months, we've been working with the Afghan and Tajik communities. They see our ads and find us via Google searches, but they lack a Sagrat card to make purchases. We welcome this as it's easy. Cryptocurrencies ease transactions and payments. They emerge so the US can't sanction Iran, saying no one in Iran can buy anything. Our goal is to make this concept accepted. We have set up a flexible payment system. It's simple. Cryptocurrencies and digital currencies facilitate financial transactions and make payments easier. The US can't impose sanctions on Iran, restricting purchases in Iran. Our ultimate goal is to make this concept widely accepted. We've also added flexible payment options to our site. Besides Real, click any product, educational or robot, you'll land on a page with all the details and instructional videos. Video details vary by robot complexity. Our ultimate goal is to get this issue resolved. We offer flexible payment options, besides the usual real payments. Click any product in education or robot sections, you'll see details and videos. Video complexity varies by robot. Buy with Tether for 10% off. Find this option at page top or bottom. On Millionaire Club robot page, see Buy with Tether. Click to enter a similar page. There's a questionnaire we'll do together. Start by selecting your product. Choose your product, e.g., banking strategy robot. Enter your name and mobile number. Buy with Tether, 10% discount. Click here. Is that right? Or do you usually need a link above and below it? For example, you can go to the Millionaires Club link page. It says something like this, Buy with Tether, and you can click on it. And you'll enter a page like this. It says there's a questionnaire, and we'll go through it step by step. You start by selecting your product. Which product do you want to buy? For example, I want to buy the banking strategy robot. It asks you to write your name. Then you hit confirm. Use a mobile number with Telegram so my team can contact you if needed. First, the terms and conditions are written out for you. You need to know what you're buying here. You read the terms, and if you accept them, you agree to proceed. The same goes for our real payment process. I would like to thank you for your service. If you have a mobile phone, with Telegram, my operators and support staff will be able to contact you if you have any questions. First, the terms and conditions are laid out for you because you need to know what you're buying here. You read the terms, and if you accept them, you agree to proceed. The same goes for our real payment process. Prices vary by product for 1, 3, or 6 month subscriptions. Wallet addresses may change. Get links from Telegram support. We have been here for a year. This is the wallet address, these wallet addresses. Maybe different wallet addresses. The wallets change from time to time. This is completely normal. You can get the exact link from Telegram support. The links on the site are also valid. This also means that when you enter the site, clicking here is valid. Now we have different sellers, marketers. We have different ones, for which we define different false addresses, so that we can understand that this purchase was made, for example, through a friend named Ahmad Reza. So, what happens next? When this page comes up, you hit start, choose a product, write your name, and enter your mobile number. Make sure to write these accurately because we want to get in touch with you regarding your purchase. Here, you can also copy this wallet address and use it with your wallet. Just copy it here and make the payment. Once you do that, it'll be clear for your transactions. After that, you can message support, and they'll guide you. Next steps. Press start, choose a product, input your phone. Ensure accuracy as we need to contact you about your purchase. Copy this wallet address for your wallet. Copy it here to pay. Transactions will be clear. Then message support for guidance. If a trading ID is needed, not just with the assistant, you'll be prompted for it. What is a trading ID? Hold on. We'll watch a video showing where to find it. Take your ID, and when asked for your transaction ID, provide one of these addresses for clarity. It will be specified for your actions, and you can contact support, and they'll guide you. If your product requires a trading ID, so it's not only with the assistant, you'll reach this point where it asks for your trading ID. What is a trading ID? We'll watch a video showing where to find it. You'll take your ID, and when it asks for your transaction ID, you'll provide one of these two addresses for clarity. You can enter your wallet address used for payment or the Ethereum network transaction ID. Put your transaction ID here. This part isn't mandatory. If you know it, follow the program's instructions. You can take a screenshot. That works. Who was the payment made to? It's pretty obvious, but we can do something to make it easier to identify them. You can either enter your wallet address here, which you use for the payment, or you can provide the transaction ID. On the Ethereum network, which is called the transaction ID, just put your transaction ID here, and it's not mandatory. If you know it, great. If not, just follow the program's instructions. You can also take a screenshot of it. That works too. So you send a screenshot, and our support team will confirm that your transaction has been completed. Or, as we mentioned earlier, you can click the Telegram support link, go straight to Telegram support, and let them know you made a purchase, and they'll activate the product for you. It doesn't matter which product it is, they'll take care of it. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. You can probably see in this video that you are planning to buy our products, and I am very happy about this. Thank you in advance for coming to. Welcome to the trading robot community. I hope you enjoy trading with smart algorithms powered by computers. It's a really great experience. And rest assured, you'll be ahead of someone who's just trading manually. Cheers!